Saa 5 ya usiku they broke into his house.
Ucio ni Wahome Thuku, umwe wa mawakiri aria marakirepresent Ndiangui na family yake. No before turore miario yake, Akenya ni makoro very confused na nganja muno about maundu maria marigishiria Ndiangui gukorwo agikinya igotini. Uyu akiandikana kuga, why does he look confused or like someone who has lost touch with reality? What did they do to him? People saying it was self-abduction should stop talking nonsense. He clearly does not look okay. Blogger uri gatu muno onake Pauline Njoroge agikorwo agitweet nake mandika bisha eno ya Ndiangui akiuria who shaved him. Is it the girlfriend? Kuona gugutwikete ati Ndiangui amenya ni arethwo ni maabitha a DCI orire na kehitha nyumba ya girlfriend yake. Miario a Kenya aige makoro makiregana nayo thutha wa video na bica ciake gukorwo ikenyaga guku online. Akenya aige makirega gwitikia ati Ndiangui ni uranyitete migwate. Umuthi DCI boss agwathitwo ni igoti akorwo akipresent Ndiangui whether dead or alive igotini. Ule Wahome Thuku representing Ndiangui aroka kurekereria ndeto iria Akenya aige makoro na nganja nacio. Bia John akiandikana kuga hiyo story ya Ndiangui is very poorly written and executed script. Kenyans are not stupid. Ati he went into hiding in his girlfriend's house when he had DCI were looking for him. The DCI that gets people out of holes deep in the village, forest and caves couldn't trace him to his girlfriend's house. Wacheni kutuona malenge. No Wahome Thuku thutha wa Ndiangui gugikorwo agikinya igotini ni akorwo akiaria maundu very sensitive, akiuga onake hari na nganja hari ndeto eno.
Anyone alleging there about the issue of abduction, then and self-abduction, then you must tell us whether the DCI breaking the house were part of the self-abduction. And those are the issues we want to have briefed by our client. We will get back to you if need be. But for the time being, we want to have a sitting with him privately. We talk to him, he tells us what has been happening, we tell him what has been happening. If the DCI won't record a statement, they will record from him. We will be there to ensure that he is guided properly when recording a statement. And that will be all. That will be it.